In this video, we will understand how to draw a shape, change its settings, and enter text in shape. Without further ado, let's add a shape. Go to the Insert tab and then click on the shape. Here you will see different types of shapes which include lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, stars, and callouts. Let's select a rectangle, then draw a rectangle on the stage. To change the color and border of this rectangle, we will right-click on the shape and select Format Shape option. This will bring up the Format Shape panel. Select the Fill tab. The first option, No Fill, will empty the shape and will show an only border. Let's select Solid Fill, and here we can change the color of the shape by changing hexadecimal, RGB, or HSL values. We can have different types of palettes, like custom colors. A custom color palette is very useful when your client provides you a set of colors as per their brand guidelines. You enter the given colors here and click on the Add button. For example, if we select a pink color and click on the Add button, then the color will add to the palette here. This is how we create a specific palette of colors as per the brand guidelines. Select one of these colors. You can also change the transparency of the color. Similarly, we have the Gradient Fill option, which allows us to set different types of gradients, like linear, radial, rectangular, and path. Let's first select linear type and see the flow of the color which goes from one side to another. We can change the direction of the color flow. This one flows the color from right to left, and this one flows the color diagonally. Gradient Stops shows 3 colors. We can change all these 3 colors. Let's change Stop 1 to this color. Then change Stop 2 to a different color. We can change the stop position of each color. See the difference in the color flow on the shape. When I move the slider, you can also set the transparency of each color. Similarly, we have radial type. We can set the direction. For example, this one is the center. Let's change it to top right, which flows color from top right to bottom left corner. We have 3 colors in the gradient flow. If we want only 2 colors, then we can remove one of these colors. Let's delete the Stop 3 color. And now we have only 2 colors. Instead of colors, we can use pictures or textures to fill the shape. We can select a picture saved in your folder. Let's keep a solid color. Now the line color gives options to change the border style. Border can also have gradient style or can have a solid color. Let's select a solid color. You hardly see a change in the border because in line style border width is set to 1, which is a very thin border. Let's increase the width of the border to see it clearly. In the compound type, we have different border styles. The dash type changes the line style of the border. For example, round dot, square dot. The cap type and join type make changes in the border joints. Select the Shadow tab. Select the shape to see the shadow options. Here we have some presets to select from. We can change the transparency, size, blurriness at the edges, angle, and the distance from the shape. We can also use this shape as a text box. Right-click on the shape and select Edit Text. Enter a text, for example, sample. You can change the alignment. Currently, it is in middle. Let's set it to the top. The text direction rotates the text, for example, 90 degrees. All these settings we have already seen in the text box formatting video. Once you are done with the settings, click the Close button. You can also learn Articulate Storyline through a project-based e-learning course. The information is given in the description box below. Please like, subscribe, share, and click the bell icon to never miss new video updates.